Winston Churchill once said, "We shape our buildings and afterwards our buildings shape us." This is the school that I work at, and it gives off nonverbal messages. At first appearance, I believe it gives off a welcoming vibe. The buildings look pretty nice, and I feel that makes people want to be there. Throughout this video, I'm going to be taking you on a picture tour of our school and attaching nonverbal messages that it may give off. All the pictures you are about to see are taken from the library at the center of the school. This is the 500s wing. We have history, science, and 2 mild to moderate special day classes here. My class is at the very end of the building. This building is located in the back center of the school. Just east of the 500 building is the 600s wing. This building houses the rest of the science classes at the school. Just north of the 600s building is the 700s wing. This building contains the English classes at the school. A bit more north is the 800s wing. This building has a couple English classes, and the rest of the wing is math classes. Slightly northeast of the 800s wing is the 900s wing. The 900s wing houses classrooms used mostly for electives, but also has a few math classes and the moderate severe special day class. Before we move on, I want to state that all these classes are on the eastern half of the school. I would consider this the business side of the school. You may have also noticed the class subjects are clustered. I believe this encourages collaboration because all the teachers in the same subject are nice and close to each other. I also feel that it makes the students feel more comfortable in knowing where their classes should be located. Now we go to the west half of the school, which I would consider to be the social side of the school. We will begin with the front and center of the school, our office. We all know what happens in the office, but I would like to mention that we have a very welcoming and friendly office staff. Just west of the office is our multi-purpose room and the pavilion. Obviously, students get lunch in the multi-purpose room and the pavilion, and they are able to socialize here. In the multi-purpose room, we have our award ceremonies, assemblies, and dances. We also allow other schools and organizations to hold activities here. We are a very welcoming and open school. In the area that the picture was taken from, and under the pavilion, we hold our social gatherings like Fall Festival, Back to School Night, school carnivals, and lunchtime activities. We often encourage our parents to come join us. Just south of the pavilion is the PE locker rooms and basketball courts. While PE is an academic subject, I would also consider it a period of socialization. So you can see how the school is split between business and socialization. This picture is just to show you the entire school. It's the field used for our PE activities. This last picture is the center and focus of our school, the library. I believe that this conveys a focus on learning and academics. A library is a place that you can go for a wealth of knowledge in books and computers. I think the library, being in the center of the school, is a powerful message to everybody. One last thing I would like to say before I end is that there is a lot of open space on our campus, despite what the images may show. This openness and the white fences at our school portray freedom. I believe this freedom is all types, including cultural. A school should not feel like a prison, and I believe it makes our students feel comfortable. Thank you for joining me on the picture tour of our campus. I hope the pictures and the nonverbal messages presented were enjoyable for you.